Hi everyone, I'm Olivia Gerling. I'm the Media Communications Specialist with KCD PR, and this week I'm breaking down my favorite segment of our book, and that's Chapter 3. So you might be asking, why is this my favorite? Well, it focuses on maximizing media relations for fintech success. Before switching over to the public relations side of things, I actually used to work in the media as a journalist, so I know the importance of building relationships with those media members in your field. These relationships you establish can help make sure your pitches are relevant to what the reporter covers and fits what they like. For instance, not everyone wants a super long pitch. Of course, you also want to make sure you're utilizing subject matter experts who can speak to more than just what their own company does. I'm thrilled to bring my expertise and experience to our clients, which is exactly what my role at KCD PR does. I want to ensure that our subject matter experts are viewed as credible, valued thought leaders in the space, just how we know them to be. I also help our clients with video checks to make sure they look good on camera, provide briefing documents for interviews, and run prep calls to make sure every SME is ready not only for their close-up, but to position their company for success. How you communicate is everything. Learn more about expert positioning and more in Chapter 3 of KCD PR's ebook, Fintech PR, Strategies for Growth and Success. Download the full version today using the link in the caption and follow along on all of our channels as we break down each chapter every Wednesday.